Nothing beats the amazing sight and smell of fresh fruits and vegetables, and nothing's better for you. The problem is this amazing produce always seems to spoil in my fridge. Did you know the average American family wastes over $2,000 a year on food that's spoiled in their fridge? Now, there's a simple way to fix this. Introducing Berry Breeze, the powerful fridge freshener that preserves your foods up to 3 times longer. Finally, you can buy the produce you love, knowing it will remain as fresh and nutritious as the day you purchased it.